Hello guys, welcome back to the Crown Traders. I am Joseph. John C. Maxwell once said that if you want to change the world, he says start by changing your daily routine. In this today's video, I want to show you something that can impact the profitability quotient of your trading career. As a matter of fact, without this, you may not be in this space in the next 10 years. So right now, before I go ahead of myself, I want you to watch this video with me, and afterwards, we would come and talk about this properly. Shall we?
Ascertain your habits, we can predict the outcome of your trading.
Wow.
Because how you do one thing is how you do everything else. It will affect it if, for example, you are used to being late. You are used to not keeping to time. You have developed that habit over time. You come to forex trading, timing is an important part that decide the success of forex traders. And the moment you have problem with the habit of keeping to time, even if you develop it before you came to forex trading, you will now discover that it can make you unsuccessful in trading. So trading habit is important. Apart from that, the deeper part of trading habit is that habit that people have developed over time subconsciously. And it now prevents them from making progress in trading because trading is progressive. Successful trading is progressive. Don't expect to be successful in 6 months, in 1 year. Even if you expect it, also put it at the back of your mind that it can take time. So, MJ, how long does it take to be successful? It takes as long as you can develop a successful trading habit around trading.
Wow.
So once these habits are permanent within you, you find it. Just know that it doesn't matter. You must change this habit for anything to change around you. And number one habit that everybody must understand that is a very, very poor habit. Listen to me very carefully. It is following other people's results on social media.
All a product of our habits. Like I just said, John C. Maxwell, he said we are a product of what we do daily. Paraphrasing right now. So you cannot take away a person from what he does daily. You see, the speaker gave an example illustration of keeping to time as a key element of becoming a profitable trader. Listen to me. If you are the type that loves sleeping, trading is not for you. You're not supposed to be here. I'm not sure any venture will even permit the level of laxity that comes with sleeping in any workspace. So as a matter of fact, if you have a challenge with sleeping, if you like sleeping, please don't come to the financial market, because the first thing the financial market will do to you, it will expose all your weaknesses. Straight to the point, and then you will start seeing it. You put an alarm for 8 a.m., 9 a.m. to join the London session market opening, and your alarm rang 7:30, 8 a.m., 9. You didn't put your alarm. You deliberately put your alarm off with your hands. You use your hand, put your alarm off several times, and you didn't wake up to catch a market trend. And that's how you keep missing opportunities again, times and again. So if you have a tendency to sleep, you like sleeping, please stay away from Forex. Habit number 2, running from one mentor to another. People, see, I don't have a challenge with you having to learn from the best hands in the industry, but you must stay with one person. Stay with somebody that you can factor your life over, right? You can copy this person. Majority of the things you learned in this industry will be from that person. Stay with him. The best of us has to be taught. A great writer once said that we are a sum total of who we've learned from both great and small. So you will learn daily. You will see all manner of results. Talking about learning daily and seeing all manner of results, have you registered for our SRA model? If you have not, I think you should do. Because a lot of persons across all walks of lives are being trained systematically, sequentially, in such a way that even if you're a student, you're a full-time worker, you get to produce the same level of results as somebody that is into Forex full-time. I hope this will help you, and you will curtail your timing. You also curtail your sleeping habits. You also curtail this impulsive tendency to jump from one mentor to another. And then lastly, stay away from social media. One of the things I tell my students, new students, when they come to me, is that you must leave all existing signal groups and media handles that you are on if you want to be my student. Exit all of them first, and then if you do that, I will know that you are serious to take your trading journey into another level. But if they don't do that, I let them go, because it's not all about the money. The two parties involved in the mentorship process, in mentorial program, must have some requirements that can make any venture work, and Forex is no different. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope this has helped you, and from today you will work on the habits that pertains to you, and you will become profitable at the end of a particular duration of time. See you in the next video, and keep trading with principles, simplicity, and profit. Cheers guys. Blessings. Are you tired of losing trades, chasing signals, and struggling to find consistency in the Forex market? Hello, welcome. I am Joseph, the Crown Trader, with 9 years plus experience in Forex trading. I have mentored students across Africa and the entire globe, helping them trade with clarity, confidence, and profitability. At the Crown Traders Academy, we teach principles, simplicity, and profitability. This is no gimmicks, just real Forex trading education that transforms how you see and trade the market. Our complete mentorship program is valued at $1,000, but for a limited time, we are giving a whopping 80% discount. That means you pay only $200 to secure your spot and lifetime assets with the following condition to have access to our SRA trading model. Do this. Number one, click on any brokerage link in the description below and register. Number two, fund your registered account with at least $50. Number three, send a screenshot of your $200 for your mentorship and your $50 funded in your trading account via WhatsApp to be added to our global mentorship group. Join the Crown Traders Academy today, where we empower traders, transform life, build ethical wealth across Africa and the globe. Register now. Offer ends soon. See you on the other side. Blessings.